The next level where the market tends to pull back is the trend line. In this chart, we spotted a downtrend, so we can draw a trend line above since price has rejected it multiple times. Now, notice how price pulled back to the trend line and dropped, then pulled back again and dropped. That's an example of a pullback into a trend line. Another level where price often pulls back is the moving average. Here, we identified an uptrend, so we applied the 50-period moving average as our key level. Now remember, in this case, we're using the 50-period because that's what the market has reacted to recently. But markets can also respond to other periods like 20, 100, or even 200. So you need to adjust based on what the market is reacting to. As you can see, price pulled back to the moving average and moved higher, pulled back again and moved higher. That's how a pullback to a moving average looks in action. In addition to watching where price reacts, some experienced traders use indicators to measure trend strength, buying pressure, and even seasonal timing. Here's how Larry Williams approaches it.
First of all, I want to have something that helps me measure trend. So I could use a 50-day moving average, or I just eyeball a chart that we're in an uptrend or we're in a downtrend, not that complex. Then I will have one, what I would call an overbought or oversold index on my chart. I like to use Williams %R. It's a really good indicator to tell you we've been rallying too much, we'll probably pull back, or it's now time to be a buyer because we're in the buy zone. Then I want to have an indicator that measures a professional accumulation coming into the marketplace. That could be on balance volume. It could be my POVI, price open interest in volume, or my Williams accumulation distribution formula. And I want to see when buying is coming into a market supporting price. I also clearly want to look at a seasonal tendency in the market. So I have a seasonal chart, so I can see should my stock or commodity be rallying right now based on the seasonal tendency. Are we weaker or are we stronger now than the seasonal pattern? Obviously, that gives me a lot of information about what I should be doing.
This kind of layered analysis, combining trend, momentum, accumulation, and seasonal context, adds real depth to your decision making. It's especially powerful when all signals point in the same direction and align with a clear pullback setup. So if you're ready to deepen your market knowledge, sharpen your trading edge, and start making smarter investment decisions, don't miss the full video on our channel. Watch now.